Welcome to BotBanish, the ultimate solution for website protection. BotBanish is a tool that blocks bad bots, spiders, and fake users from websites and forums. BotBanish automatically logs and terminates bots and users that are determined to be fake or destructive, then denies them access to the system. BotBanish blocks new bots by their behavior and signatures and catches bots that disguise themselves as regular browsers, providing a defense against unwanted traffic. BotBanish can also prevent bots from falsely increasing page and download hits. To install BotBanish, go to the Admin tab, select Package Manager. In Package Manager, select Add Packages to upload the BotBanish mod. After uploading the mod, select Install Mod. Review the actions that will be taken by the mod to make sure there will be no errors, then click Install Now. The blacklist and whitelist feature in BotBanish can be used for domains, spiders, and IPs. Search, view, or add new items to the domains, spiders, and IPs in the blacklist and whitelist. The whitelist also allows URLs. With this feature, keep websites protected from unwanted visitors. The settings in the database can be turned on or off for reporting purposes. This feature gives complete control over the information that BotBanish collects and the data that is displayed. Next, we have BotBanish Analytics. This feature gives insight into what is happening on a website. View where users are going, what information they are accessing, and which files are being downloaded. This feature is a great way to keep track of the activity on a website. In the View Logs section of the Analytics page, information can be viewed that BotBanish has collected about errors and other issues. This feature is a great way to stay informed about any potential problems and make sure that the website is running smoothly. The top selection of the Analytics page is where a month can be selected to review data that has been previously captured. Select the day of the data to be viewed to view the day's detailed information. This feature allows easy access to the information that can be used to keep track of what is happening on a website. Finally, the Utilities section allows downloading of the BotBanish tables for backup purposes. This feature gives peace of mind knowing that BotBanish data can be restored in case of a failure. The Help section provides the documentation of the BotBanish settings. This feature is a great way to get started with BotBanish and make sure that all its features are being utilized to their fullest potential. To uninstall BotBanish, go to the Admin tab, select Package Manager. To uninstall, click Uninstall Mod. Review the actions that will be taken by the mod to make sure there will be no errors. Then, click Uninstall Mod. Thank you for watching this video of BotBanish. Protect websites and forums with the powerful features that BotBanish provides, while keeping track of the bot and user activity. Get started today and experience the ultimate in website protection.